Hey everyone, welcome back to Zola Designs. You guys, today I'm going to pick a winner. I almost said a giveaway. I'm going to pick a winner for this giveaway. This was 3 skeins of Mandala yarn in the Warlock color. It's super pretty. I have a cardigan actually that I made with this, and I love Mandala, you guys. It is like one of the best. I love it. It's so gorgeous and beautiful. First, I want to show you what I've been working on. Yesterday was a bad migraine day for me, so I didn't get to do much. But I have made these granny squares. I'm kind of making a test to see what colors I like. My daughter said I should do a pink one too. I want to make a sweater, but I'm making all of these granny squares. I should. And I was thinking to myself, like, as I see these right here on the table, that I should make a scarf or something easy with them to show you guys how easy it is to do. So this is a pattern that I made last year. Actually, this is not my pattern. I made the tutorial for it last year. This pattern I got out of the Ultimate Granny Square book. If you guys would like to see the tutorial, I'll have it linked up here. But it's fabulous and I love it. And I forgot what I was talking about. When I get these really bad migraines, my brain is like so foggy and cloudy, and I started talking about something and then like I totally forget what I was talking about. That's how bad my migraines have gotten, you guys. It's crazy. Anyway, this is a project that I am going to do, and what I was talking about is that I'm making all of these kind of test granny squares with the different colors to see what I like, because eventually I'm going to make a sweater. And I'm just using the different combinations of yarn. I would really like to make a black sweater because I have not made one yet. One thing about this pattern is the original pattern maker calls to carry the yarn. You guys, I carried the yarn. I can't stand carrying the yarn, and that is really bothering me. I don't know why I don't like it. It's because it shows like some things right here, and that just like this, it really bothers me and I can't take it. So I'm gonna do squares where I just have to cut the yarn and tuck in all the ends. It is a ton of ends to tuck in, but I think overall that would be, it would ease my mind a lot better, because stuff like this keeps me up at night. You see how that is? And then, I mean, I would have to go back and tuck it in. I don't know. Anyway, that is the bane. Carrying yarn is the bane of my crochet existence. So I just thought I'd share this with you guys. This is also a cute pattern to make hot pads for your kitchen products. You could make use cotton yarn to make these hearts. I think that would be really cute. All kinds of stuff you can make with granny squares, you guys. Let's get to the giveaway. The giveaway was 3 skeins of Mandala yarn. You guys, I'm all over the place right now. It's crazy. Just bear with me. Thank you. Mandala yarn, 590 yards each. It's 100% acrylic. 3-weight, 5mm hook. This color is called Warlock, and you can see all of the gorgeous colors there. Let's pick a winner right now. First, I want to talk to you guys about my bracelets. I haven't talked about bracelets in a long time. I do custom make these. This is Mookite, Red Net Jasper. This is Red Jasper and Dragon's Eye Jasper? Dragon Blood Jasper is what that is. I have a huge box of crystals. I need to make an unboxing. I have more here, but I do custom make them. They are all real stones, so you can check them out on my Etsy page right up here. Everything I talk about will also be linked down below. Let's get to picking a winner for this giveaway. This is what YouTube looks like on my end. You guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. All of my new subscribers, you guys are awesome. Next year, I will hit 10,000 subs, and when I hit 10,000 subs, I think I have decided on a name for what to name my subs, my followers, the people who like my channel. I'm not going to reveal it yet, but I see merchandise in the future, you guys. I'm super excited. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching me during this time as I go through this. For those of you who don't know, I have a huge tumor in my uterus, and I got a shot that immediately puts me in menopause. So I've been dealing with that. That's why I've been getting these crazy migraines. It does wear off in February. Hopefully it shrinks the tumor, and hopefully I can have an easy surgery like in March. So that's my goal, you guys. Let's concentrate on that for 2023. 542 comments, you guys. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope everyone has a happy new year. Let's pick a winner. And the winner of this giveaway is Living Creatively. Awesome. Oh, this was the video where I asked if you have a question for me. I remember that now. Living Creatively asked, what stitch did you use on your very first project and what did you make? Let me talk about this for a second. So my very first project was, this gigantic queen-sized blanket. And I did not use any stitch markers. I didn't use any, I didn't know anything. And it was a tan and blue blanket. I will make a separate video because I think it would be really fun for you guys to watch. And it was so, so gorgeous. I'll show my bracelets here. And I just thought it was the coolest thing. I used Lion Brand homespun yarn, and it was blue and tan, and I made it for my then boyfriend, now husband, and it was so... I thought it was the best thing. It was just stripes, and it was really, really cool. I think I used a double crochet or a single crochet. I didn't know how to tie off yarn, so I just used knots at the end of the rows. And I think I did use double crochet. I didn't even know how to join yarn, you guys. I was just doing it on my own, but I did it. And the ends are completely uneven. All the rows were uneven, but I got to dig that out, and I have to make a separate video. So thank you, Living Creatively, for bringing back that awesome memory. It was a good project too, because I was also, my dad had pancreatic cancer, and he was, it was not a good time. So I made that blanket, and it was really awesome. But thank you so much for bringing back that memory. So it was a double crochet and single crochet that I used. So thank you so much. You guys, have a happy new year. I will make another giveaway video later on today. It will be released. So be safe, you guys. Thanks so much for listening to me babble, and thanks so much for watching my channel. I hope you have a great day. Bye.